Anin. This is a recording of our TPRS presentations that Ajib made for helping with language. We've done some of these with the childcare staff during their PD and thought that it would be good if we recorded the presentations along with the answers so that way any one of you can access them at any time and practice. So this one is lesson 1 and it's just practicing yes and no as well as recognizing questions. So yes is aya, no is gawin, and you know that something is a question by the word ina or na. So if I were to say namadabe ina, that means is he sitting? And then this person here is sitting, so you would say eya. If I said ni bawe ina, you say gawin because you already know that namadabe is what he's doing. So that's kind of how this works. So first what I will do is I will describe what he is doing. I will repeat that a couple times. And then I will ask a question. And you'll say either Aya or Gawin. Namadabe. Namadabe. Namadabe ina. Aya. Ni bawe ina. Gawin. Namadabe. Namadabe. Ni bawe. Ni bawe. Ni bawe ina. Aya. Ni bawe. Namadabe ina. Namadabe ina. Gawin. Ni bawe. Ni bawe. Zaga 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 ina. Zaga ina. Aya. Namadabe ina. Namadabe ina. Gawin. Zaga Jumengweni. Jumengweni. Jumengweni ina. Jumengweni ina. Aya. Jumengweni. Mawe ina. Mawe ina. Gawin. Jumengweni. Kashkendo mina. Kashkendo mina. Gawin. Jumengweni. Bimose. Bimose. Bimose ina. Aya. Bimose. Namadabe ina. Namadabe ina. Gawin. Bimose. Zaga ina. Zaga ina. Gawin. Bimose. Jumengweni ina. Jumengweni ina. Aya. Jumengweni. Bimose. Inini. A man. Inini. Inandum. Inandum. Inandum ina. Inandum ina, eya, inendam. Namadabe ina, namadabe ina, gawin, inendam. Bimose ina, bimose ina, eya, bimose. Jumenguenina, jumenguenina, eya, jumengueni. Kashkendamina, kashkendamina, gawin. Bimi batu ina, bimi batu ina, gawin, bimose. Inendam ina, inendam ina, eya, inendam. Dugoshin, wamat, wamating, dugoshin, wamating. Minua, bindage, bindage. Dugoshin, dugoshinina, dugoshinina, eya, dugoshin. Jumingueniana, jumingueni, ina, eya, jumingueni. Dugoshin, ina, wamating, dugoshinina, wamating, eya, dugoshin, dugoshin, wamating. Bimoseina, bimoseina, gawin. Namadabe ina, namadabe ina, gawin. Nibao ina, nibao ina, nibawe ina, excuse me, nibawe ina, eya, nibawe. Dugoshin ina, wamating, dugoshin ina, wamating, eya, dugoshin, wamating. Ma ishkam, ma ishkam, ma ishkam ina, eya, ma ishkam. Bimose ina, bimose ina, gawin. Ma ishkam. Jumingueni ina, jumingueni ina, eya, jumingueni. Bimi batu ina, bimi batu ina, gawin. Namadabe ina, namadabe ina, gawin. Ma ishkam ina, ma ishkam ina, eya, ma ishkam. Zaga 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 ina, zaga ina, eya, zaga bindige ina, bindige ina, Gawin. Gagoshin ina. Wamati. Gagoshin ina. Gawin. Zaga Bimose. Bimose. Bimose ina. And Namadabe ina. Namadabe ina. Gawin. Bimose. Nagamo. Nagamo. Nagamo ina. Nagamo ina. Eya. Nagamo. Bimose ina. Bimose ina. And Bimose. Juminguini na. Juminguini ina. Eya. Juminguini. Namadabe ina. Namadabe ina. Gawin. Bimi batu ina. Bimi batu ina. Gawin. Nagamo ina. Nagamo ina. Eya. Nagamo. Dagoshin. Dagoshin. Dagoshin ina. Dagoshin ina. Eya. Dagoshin. Namadabe ina. Namadabe ina. Gawin. Dagoshin. Bindige. Bindige. Bindige ina. Bindige ina. Eya. Zaga ina. Zaga ina. Gawin. Bindige ina. Bindige ina. Eya. Bindige. Aha. So that was kind of a combination of lesson 1 and 2. So in lesson 1, you just want to say Eya or Gawin. You don't have to say Eya Namadabe until lesson 2. In lesson 2, you want to use stretched language. So as you listen to this and watch this video, try to take the questions Eya or Gawin all the way through. And then on your second time watching it, try to say Eya and then the action that the person is doing. So Namadabe, Namadabe, Namadabe ina. So for lesson 1, you would just say Eya. For lesson 2, you would go through and you'd say Eya, Namadabe. You would try and say the verb. You may also hear questions such as Ni bao ina. Sorry, Ni bao ina. I'm losing my voice, I apologize. Ni bao ina. Gawin. It's say Gawin for the first lesson, but for the second lesson, you might want to say Gawin, and then you could add what he is doing. Namadabe. So that's like saying no, he is sitting. So I'll go through and give you the English translations, and then the next recording will have even more stretched language, such as how to negate a verb, like saying no, he is not standing, as opposed to saying no, he's sitting. So here, Namadabe, he is sitting. Namadabe. Ni bawe, Ni bawe, he is standing. This one is zaga he's leaving, he is going out. Jumingweni, he is smiling. And again, it could be she as well, or ween, so that's the third person, it's not gender specific. So Jumingweni, he or she, they, is smiling, singular. Mawe ina, is he crying? Gash kingdom, is he sad? Those are some of the questions I asked, and the answer was Gawin. Jumingweni, he is smiling. Bimose, he is walking. Bimose, I think I asked Bimi Batu Ina, and that's, is he running? Bimi Batu, Gawin. Bimose, he is walking. In named that means he is thinking. Jumingweni is smiling. Bimose, he is walking. In named he is thinking. Dagoshin Wamating, he has arrived. He is arriving at Walmart. Wamat ing, we add the ing to signify that it's like a locative. Just the name of something would just be Walmart. If you're talking about Walmart in a conversation, if you're saying at Walmart or in Walmart, then you add the ing on the end, Walmarting. Interesting tidbit. So Inini, the man, Dagoshin, he is arriving, Walmarting, at Walmart. I think I also said Bindige, or Minua Bindige. Also, he is going inside. Ma Ishkam, he is shopping. Bimi Batu Ina, is he running? Gawin. Bimi Batu Ina, is he running? Gawin. Jumingweni Ina, is he smiling? Yes. Ma Ishkam Ina, is he shopping? Ma Ishkam. And here we see Zaga Walmarting, he is leaving from Walmart, or just Zaga he is going out, he is leaving. Bindigayana, is he entering? Gawin. Zaga he is leaving, he is going out. Bimose, he is walking. Bimose. Bimi Batuina, is he running? Gawin. Bimose, he is walking. Nagamo, he is singing. Nagamo ina, Nagamo. So is he singing? Yes, he is singing. Nini, the man, Dagoshin, he is arriving, has arrived just now. In the present tense, he's arrived. Dagoshin. Dagoshinina, has he arrived? Or is he arriving? Dagoshin. Bindige. He is going inside. He is entering. Bindigeina, is he entering? Is he going inside? Bindige. Zaga Amina, is he going out? Zaga Ina, Gawin. Bindige, he's entering. So there you have it. Give that a listen and practice. Feel free to pause as necessary. Thank you for watching.